Hi everyone, it's Helen Griffin here and thank you for joining me today. So I have a really quick video just to let you guys know I have a new collection coming out and I've been working really hard on this for the last month, and it's launching today and it's live on the website, so you can get in there early and get your orders in. So I'll be launching this live on the Craft Stash Facebook live show, which is also broadcast on Craft Stash's YouTube page. God, that was a mouthful. So it's on their YouTube page. I will leave everything down below as well, so you can watch it on YouTube and on Craft Stash. And there's going to be 4 giveaways of all these lovely goodies. So if you're part of my social media, I've been sharing on Instagram and Facebook some sneak peeks this week. And yesterday I released a whole lovely invitation set that I'd made with these dies. So I'm going to everything has been already sent now to Facebook. Sorry, it's already been sent to Craft Stash. So I don't have them in front of me, but I do have all the pictures that I took before I sent them off, so I'll be running those through as I talk through these dies. So starting with the first one, we have the medium envelope set. Nope, it's not the medium one, it is a large envelope die set. Here it is. This is absolutely beautiful. So you get all of the flowers, the leaves, and this lovely intricate leaf die as well, and you get the ornate edging for the envelope, so it's just perfect. And you get all of the mats as well, so it's absolutely perfect for creating some really beautiful invitations. And then we have, working my way through these, we have this gorgeous large pillow box die set. So I have some pictures of this one as well, and I've also decorated it with we have a die set here which is the flowers and leaves die set, and that has created some beautiful foliage. And this particular large pillow box die set also comes with its own rolled rose as well. So I've used a mixture of everything here, and it's even got the nice little leaf edging side panels as well for the corners that curve inwards. And it also comes with a smaller pillow box die as well, so it's absolutely perfect for favours and things like that. So there's also some panels here as well, and this is the geometric and arch panel. But really, please do tune in tomorrow, because this is where you're going to actually see all the magic of all these die sets put together, and I'll be doing some demonstrations as well. So we have also a 2-inch favour gift box die set, and it comes in all-in-one, so you just die cut the whole thing out and put it together, and it comes with all of the accessories as well. So these aren't just for weddings, these are for any kind of celebrations, especially if you're celebrating anniversaries and special occasions like that. So please do join me. It's on Craft Stash live. That's at 1 PM London time, and that is on YouTube, on the Craft Stash YouTube channel, and on the Craft Stash Facebook page. So there's 2 places you can watch those. So I'll make sure all the details are down below. So yeah, please do join me. Come along and say hi. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow. So I'll see you soon. Bye.